এই শ্যুট করতে গিয়ে আমরা কি তো খুব দেরি করিয়ে দিচ্ছি?
দেরি তোরা আমার করাতে পারবি না। দেরি করার কোনো জায়গা নেই, কোনো স্কোপ নেই।
না না না, সেরকম করো না, ডোন্ট টেক দ্যাট অ্যাপ্রোচ। এই কারণে বাবা, তুমি যখন ফার্স্ট ড্রাফট সাবমিট করেছো।
আমার সময় হয়ে গেছে, আমি আর পারবো না খেতে। আমি উঠলাম।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি বেরোচ্ছি এখন।
শোনা শোনা শোনা, টাটা ব্রুনো, টাটা বয়, টাটা
টাটা ব্রুনো।
টাটা। At this point of time তুই বলতে পারিস my priority is still my career. Maybe I have started thinking slowly because বয়সটা তো বাড়ছে, কমছে না। So even if I have a kid by the age of 33, so by the time I reach 40 he'll be only 7 years old. So that is a problem because with age তুই যত বয়স বাড়বে কমপ্লিকেশন তত বাড়বে, নির্ভরশীলতা তত বাড়বে। সুতরাং একটা জায়গায় এসে ইউল হ্যাভ টু টেক আ কল সামওয়্যার ডাউন দ্য লাইন। প্রত্যেকেই করে আমার মনে।
Morning, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I have almost finished that. Just giving some finishing touches to the document.
You could manage permission for office, na?
No, I couldn't manage permission for you in office. Actually, I've not been able to talk to them. I think I'll be talking to them maybe in a few days, but I have an image to maintain, and let's see what they say. I'll be talking to my HR, but today I think you'll not be able to shoot. My office is here. I'll be getting down here. Sorry, you will not be able to come to my office today. Chalo Nitin, bye bye. Okay, see ya.
Hi. Hi guys.
Hi.
How was your day?
How was yours? কি করলি?
আর একটু টাইম লাগবে। আর একটু টাইম লাগবে। You want a drink, you can have it from here. Yeah.
Can you believe it? I have to finish on a file right now.
Swear by.
আরেকটা নিতে হবে মনে আছে।
I'm so sorry. The meeting went for so long. I could not help it. Come, let's go now. Come.
Okay.
से बैठते हैं.
Like, would you like to, give up your work a little and...
It's frankly, I'll tell you, some people will accept it, some people won't. But actually, it's a rat race, and we are rats basically. So
Everybody is trying to
everybody
get
is a
ahead
rat.
of other.
I'll tell you some. It's something like I become the manager, I become the senior manager. So basically,
And one step above the ladder, we'll always think of the next step.
I agree.
Whatever we get, we take it for granted, and then we think over the next thing. We'll never think about whatever we've got. We'll always think about what we have to get next.
personally, I'm very doubtful whether we'll be able to give that much time or that much warmth to our kids, which we intend to have in future. So I think that will be a big challenge for us.
See, the time is limited, but we'll have to manage it somehow. Anyhow, we'll have to manage it accordingly.
Yeah, but you never know now. Some assignment comes here and there, and then your plans go off.
That
That's the
thing
issue,
will
na.
work out somehow.
So that is the issue, na.
যখন আমরা স্টার্ট করেছিলাম our career, I mean, we were earning a fraction of what we are earning right now.
But I'll say we were much happier at that point of time.
এগুলোর তো একটা ইম্প্যাক্ট আসবে
সেটাতে সবচেয়ে
মানে my point is this is the way it's going to be probably forever.
My question is, are we losing out on something very vital in life? That's where my question is. Is it like we are losing out on the relationship or something of that sort? Some point of your time in your life, you do wake up, don't you? That's exactly what has happened to me. One fine morning, I just woke up. First time in my life, I just want to give up everything and just have a child and settle down. And then there's a tuck from the other side. What about the job? What about all the responsibilities? What about the status? I love that too. That's an adrenaline rush for me. So I can't let that go. So it's like tug of war.